Ryan joins us with our look at the forecast. We just saw on that tower cam. I was surprised, Ryan, how quickly things greened up here.
I had the same reaction like a week and a half ago. It wasn't nearly all this green.
No, and trees are just full now.
Yeah, it's amazing. And Amanda, I bet a big reason for that is all the rain that we've had this month. I've heard from a lot of people asking, what's up with the drought? Well, we're certainly making a dent, but we have a long way to go. Portland topping the list with more than 5 inches of rainfall this month. That's about 2.5 inches above the average. Right on target in Bangor, slightly above average in Caribou. And this will show you the month by month, day by day rainfall in Portland. And you can see it's really the last two systems that put us much above average for the month. Worth noting, of the last 12 months, this is only the second with above average precipitation. March is the only other one. That's why we've still got a little bit of an issue with groundwater levels being so low, even though the surface is so damp right now and everything's nice and lush. 35, how about 75 in Bangor right now? 75 in Bangor as well, in Portland, I should say, too. Freiburg at 79 degrees this midday. I think I can speak right now. Lots of sunshine out there, just a few patchy clouds over the terrain and the mountains in northern Maine. We're in a good shape for both today and tomorrow. However, this front will come through northern Maine tonight with a chance for a shower or thunderstorm. And then northern Maine only will get on the cooler side of the front coming up tomorrow. We'll all get on the cooler side for Thursday and Friday. Lots of sunshine out there this afternoon. 80 plus inland coastline, mainly in the 70s, maybe a little light onshore wind, but beautiful out there with nice low levels of humidity too. This evening, there's the chance for a shower or thunderstorm in northern Maine only. Any of this action should weaken as it gets south of about Katahdin, and we have a mild and muggy night with dry weather to the south. Mild and fairly quiet night, not all that muggy. Lows will be right around 60 tomorrow morning. We'll warm up quickly tomorrow, particularly in southern and central Maine. We'll make a run to about 80 and a little higher than that at the coastline with a wind that comes around to the northwest, so a land breeze at the coast tomorrow. And maybe a pop-up sprinkler shower in eastern and northern Maine, but most of us will have a dry day coming up tomorrow. There you see the cooler air across the north, only in the 60s in the crown of Maine tomorrow. But to the south, where we do have that land breeze, we'll get into the low and even mid-80s over parts of Cumberland and York counties coming up tomorrow. So that front slides through, and then behind it, we're headed back to a cooler regime for the end of the week into the weekend. Thursday and Friday, there should be plenty of dry hours, but both of those days, there's a chance for a shower that pops up and quite a few clouds, too, with highs that will mainly be in the 60s. Then this little low to the north is kind of a vigorous shortwave. It's going to dive south and sit right over us on Saturday, and the end result of that will be quite cool weather with periods of rain, and the freezing level up in the mountains may be about 2,500 to 3,000 feet, so the tops of the mountains could actually get a little snow Saturday evening and Saturday night. There's a look at your temperature trend. You see clearly we dive on Saturday with highs for most of us only in the 50s, but the air mass itself is going to be quite chilly aloft on Saturday. So it's going to be a cool day for all of us. Seas tomorrow or today, 2 to 4 feet with southwesterly winds, 10 to 20 knots on the water. So sunshine here these next 2 days. There can be a shower or storm only in northern Maine this evening or tonight. Cooler on Thursday and Friday. We're only about 60 on Friday with a chance for a pop-up shower, and then a chilly and wet day on Saturday. So if you do have plans on Saturday, we're pretty confident that front comes right down and brings us some rain, and hopefully we start to dry things out on Sunday. But yeah, Amanda, at least we get a couple of nice days, even though they're falling during the middle of the week.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.